Will it run?
RAM.
We're going to check your RAM speed. Go down to the search bar, type CMD, hit command prompt. In here, we're going to want to type WMIC space memory chip space get space speed and hit enter. Here, it'll show you how much RAM, how many RAM sticks you have in your RAM slots. I have 4. And it'll show your speed, 3200 megahertz. You could also right-click the taskbar and go to Task Manager. You want to go to Performance and Memory. Here it shows you a lot of stuff about your memory. You have 32 gigabytes. Your speed is right here, 3200 megahertz. Your slots used, 4 of 4. How much RAM you're currently using and how much is available. RAM, also known as Random Access Memory, is a type of data storage that stores files that are in use while the computer is running. These files may include various programs such as operating systems. RAM allows you access to files faster, so the higher your RAM speed, the faster you access those files. Unlike a solid state or a hard drive, RAM only stores memory temporarily. It can be commonly thought of as a computer's short-term memory. Well guys, I hope you like my videos. I plan to continue the other series, and make sure to subscribe so that I know you want to see more.
See more bots.